I'm Florice Gregory from Gregory CPA Services. At Gregory CPA Services, we do wealth and tax strategies with our clients. So most of our clients come to us for wealth and tax, and then we eventually do their tax returns, and sometimes we would also do their bookkeeping. Our background, I work with my sister, Gracelyn. Gracelyn is a former partner from Ernst & Young, and I have 35 years of experience, the majority of which was with big corporations, Toyota, Office Depot, and I also did a startup with Rick Scott, current senator for Florida. I was the CFO for one of his companies. I've always done strategy, so doing strategy for my clients is just like second nature. Once you understand how to go about approaching finance and accounting issues from a strategic perspective, it becomes second nature. Usually, our go-to strategy is real estate. But for some of our clients, especially this past year, 2024, the interest rates were a little high, and so it wasn't really conducive to real estate transactions. So we had to find some other things for our clients. Now, some of our clients also have businesses, and of course, because our backgrounds are business, that also we're able to help them with that. Now, some businesses are more conducive to tax strategies than others. For most of our clients, the businesses they have, though, generates a lot of cash. And so we encourage them to take that cash and put into real estate. But please understand that just buying real estate is not the strategy. You've got to find real estate that works for your specific situation. Some is short-term rental, some is long-term. If you're in long-term, doesn't necessarily mean that short-term is going to provide you with the strategy that you're looking for. So you really want to be careful. Some people want to do quads, some want to do mobile home parks. And again, it really all depends on your specific situation. So we encourage you to meet with us. What we do is we actually do coaching, even though we don't call it that. We call it wealth and tax strategies, but we spend about 3 months with you. Every other week, we meet with you, we give you some homework, and then you come back, we go through that. And then by the time we're done, you have a system that you can go back and you can replicate. Now, if you need our help anytime after that 3 months, you usually have our cell phone numbers or email address. You can text, call, email, and we'll hop on a call with you 15, 20 minutes and go through whatever decision you're trying to make. Usually our clients are trying to decide whether or not they should buy a property, or they got stuck using the tool that we provided. So we'll get on, show them the tool again, explain exactly how they could use the tool. Also, if they need help with their bankers, lawyers, we'll hop on a call with their bankers or lawyers. The other thing that we do at the end of our wealth and tax strategy is we give you an entity map. So that entity map will tell you exactly how you should hold your real estate, whether or not you need a holding company, whether or not you need a management company. Now, some of these are S-Corps, some of them are LLCs, some of them are partnerships. So I don't want you walking away thinking I can just go and do this. It's not that simple. The other thing, we will usually decide, or in conversation, determine if you need a trust, and if so, what type of trust. How much risk do you have? Do you need an offshore? Do you need a hybrid? Do you just need a regular trust where you put your stuff in so that, God forbid, your heirs would need it? And so they know exactly where to go to find all of your entities and your transactions and your assets. So there's a lot to this. I encourage you to go to our website, GregoryCPAServices.com, and book some time with us if you want to discuss. There's also a link below For my background, you can go to LinkedIn and you'll see all of my many corporations that I work for and the positions that I held, and some of it how I contributed to corporate America. It's much more fun working with families than it was working for corporations. You know, in corporate America, you're just adding to their bottom line. But so far, since 2020, we've changed about 400 families' lives. Some of them were able to redirect 100% of their taxes to these strategies. Some 50, at least the minimum I would say was about 40% of their taxes. They were able to redirect into strategies that are approved by the IRS. That's within the tax code. Let's just put it that way. Within the tax code, we do not do anything that is not legal. But again, as you can see from our experiences, we have lots of experience with strategy. And so complex structures are things that we're comfortable with. Gracelyn loves detail and technical, and so she will go off and she reads a lot of the technical stuff, and then she comes back and I am more of the quick start, so we analyze it together. We do all of our calls with our clients together. So you don't just get one CPA when you come to work with us, you get two. From two different backgrounds. I was inside corporate America, usually within the accounting CFO structure. Gracelyn was the external auditor, having been a partner with Ernst & Young. And so together we really bring the A game for our clients. So if you want to talk to us, again, go to GregoryCPAServices.com and book some time.